Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you exactly how to deposit funds into your tofro.com account. So first of all, you need to open your web browser in your mobile device and search for tofro.com. Then you need to simply log in into your account just like so. Afterwards, by default, you will be on the home page of tofro.com account, where you need to tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner and go to the assets tab. Here in your assets tab, you will see the recharge option, and this is basically the deposit option that you need to use. So tap on it, then select which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. So you can deposit USDT, Ethereum, BTC, USDC over here. Most probably you would like to deposit USDT, so select USDT, select the network. Here you will see two different networks, TRC20 and ERC20. So if you want to save money on the gas fees, simply select TRC20 network. So this will be your QR code and the deposit address, which you can copy from here. Then open any of your favorite exchange and wallet. For the sake of this video, I chose my BitGet account. So here tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner and select USDT. So here tap on the withdraw option and use the search bar in the top in order to search for USDT. Select the on-chain withdrawal and you will be landed here on this page. So here the thing that you need to consider is to simply tap on this drop down menu and select the TRC20 network. Why we are doing so? Because in our tofro.com account we have selected TRC20 as the network, so it should be same in that particular account from which you are basically sending your USDT. So then paste the address here in this section, enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, you need to simply review the transaction and conclude it. Once the transaction is completed from your wallet or from your exchange, and you are going to get the money in your account and it will be in your exchange account. Then you need to transfer this money to your trade account and you will be able to use it for checking out the features available on tofro.com. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment if you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.